Good afternoon, Milam students. My name is Miss Starks, and I'm so super excited about this school year and your students being in my class. I cannot hardly wait, but I wanted to show you how to get to this page right here, the class link page. So first of all, you will go to the Ector County ISD webpage. You'll go to Parents and Students. On the right-hand side, far right-hand side, you'll see Class Link. There is Class Link. You click on it. Wait. If this comes up, X out of it. This is everything. This is a fast, quick way to get to wherever your child needs to go. For instance, if we're doing Imagine, they're going to do Imagine Math. We're going to wait just a minute. You click on that, and it'll automatically come up. Now, I'm an educator, so this is my code. You will have your student's code in there that will be in there, and so that's what you'll click. When I log in on my page, I have Imagine Math, Math Facts, and Imagine Math. So you can click a dashboard. Now this is the teacher view. Your child will go into the learning section, but in my tab I get to see if they've been on there, how long, if they're passing lessons or if they're not. This is a really great page to use for everything. It's just so easy, and I can add links that I need. This is for staff, but your student will have, we're going to have a typing link on here so your child can, at home or at school, it gives them lessons to learn how to type on the keyboard. That's the one the kids usually really love. But that was just a quick video, and I hope you find it very helpful on how to get to ClassLink from the Ector County website.